what happened is, in case, because a lot of allegation made against the police force or against the officers who supposed to be there on the roadside or to perform the duties and in different in different situation. So in case if there is any allegation that the these people, these officials take money from the truck drivers or from the truck owners, whatever, I think I would request they don't have to wait. Those people can quietly complain either to me directly or to the higher authority, and action will be taken accordingly. And I would like to also warn any official, if they are in this in this habit of collecting money illegally or extortioning money illegally, then we will take action accordingly.